Welcome back to the Nexorix channel. In our previous session, you learned how to activate branding in your project. Today, we're taking the next step, integrating a custom database with Syauth. This allows you to manage your users in your own database, a feature available on paid plans. To get started, we'll continue from where we left off. First, click on Custom Database, then select Add Connection. Enter a connection name, choose your database type from the supported options, and provide your connection string. Next, click Test. This will attempt to connect to your database. If there's an error, it may be due to an incorrect password or a firewall on your server. Once the test is successful, click Create Connection. The final step is to click the Test Database button again, followed by Activate Database. This will install the necessary tables and columns, completing the setup. If you're planning to implement Syauth, consider subscribing and enabling notifications so you won't miss any updates. I look forward to guiding you through the next steps in our upcoming session.